Welcome everyone on the Arunodaya classes. Today we will discuss about the human digestive system. Human digestive system. The system used in the human body for the process of digestion. The human digestive system consists primarily of the digestive tract or the series of structures and organs through which food and liquids pass during their processing into forms absorbable into the bloodstream. The system also consists of the structures through which wastes pass in the process of elimination and other organs that contribute juices necessary for the digestive process. Mouth. The mouth is the beginning of the digestive tract. After we start eating, we chew our food into pieces that are more easily digested. Salivary glands. The salivary glands produce saliva, which keeps the mouth and the other parts of the digestive system moist. It also helps break down the carbohydrates with salivary amylase, formerly known as ptyalin, and lubricates the passage of food down from the oropharynx to the esophagus to the stomach. Esophagus. The function of the esophagus is to transport material from the mouth to the stomach and to prevent GER, gastroesophageal reflux, by providing an important barrier, that is, the lower esophageal sphincter, to the retrograde flow of gastric contents into the esophagus. Stomach. The stomach has three main functions: temporary storage for food, which passes from the esophagus to the stomach where it is held for 2 hours or longer; mixing and breakdown of food by contraction and relaxation of the muscle layers in the stomach; digestion of food. Small intestine. It is on average 23 feet long and is comprised of three structural parts: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Functionally, the small intestine is chiefly involved in the digestion and absorption of nutrients. It receives pancreatic secretions and bile through the hepatopancreatic duct, which aid with its functions. Liver. The liver's main job is to filter the blood coming from the digestive tract before passing it to the rest of the body. The liver also detoxifies chemicals and metabolizes drugs. As it does so, the liver secretes bile that ends up back in the intestines. Gallbladder. Our liver makes a powerful digestive juice called bile. When the bile passes to the gallbladder, which concentrates and stores it for later use, bile helps break down the food you eat. Bile's most important role is breaking down fats. Pancreas. The pancreas is an organ located in the abdomen. It plays an essential role in converting the food we eat into fuel for the body's cells. The pancreas has two main functions: an exocrine function that helps in digestion and an endocrine function that regulates blood sugar. Large intestine. Large intestine has three primary functions: absorbing water and electrolytes, producing and absorbing vitamins, and forming and propelling feces toward the rectum for elimination. Rectum. The rectum is a straight 8-inch chamber that connects the colon to the anus. The rectum's job is to receive stool from the colon, let you know that there is stool to be evacuated, and to hold the stool until evacuation happen. Anus. The anus is the last part of the digestive tract. It is a 2-inch long canal consisting of the pelvic floor muscles and the two anal sphincters, internal and external. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Comment your feedbacks.